He didn't go 50 yards. 40,
Wow.
40, 45 yards maybe.
Wow. That's an unbelievable deer, Jim.
Big
Congratulations.
body. I mean, the mosquitoes are out tonight. It's probably 55, 60 degrees maybe, 65.
Amazing.
I just can't believe how fast it happened.
There was no second guessing on this one.
Look at the mass on his face.
No doubt.
Good luck. You guys. I'd like to thank Tombstone Outfitting, Paul and Jim and Dan, everybody for their help. Really appreciate it.
Crazy 8?
Crazy 8.
Turn them towards me, will you?
Yesterday, October 31st, I was in my tree stand in the morning doing a little kind of scouting, a little adventure with my climber. I went up into this little ridge right real close to the road and ended up getting a crack at this deer. Seen several deer yesterday morning. Got an arrow into this one. Didn't have a camera person, but I did have my Roscobi riser cam.